In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a single object around a circle using Affinity. This technique is great for creating patterns, logos, and decorative designs with consistent spacing. To begin, open a new document and choose the vector view, then make sure the vector environment is enabled. Next, select the Shapes tool and choose a shape for the demonstration. Here, a heart works well. Click and drag on the canvas to draw the shape, then zoom in if needed and adjust the handle to refine its appearance. Once you're happy with the shape, change its color to black. After that, switch to the Selection tool and, with the object selected, open the Tools Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. From there, enable the Transform Origin option. This Transform Origin controls the point around which the object rotates. Close the menu, then click and drag the Transform Origin downward while holding the Shift key to keep it perfectly centered on the vertical axis. Position it slightly below the object. Now go to the Layers panel, right-click the object, and choose Duplicate. With the duplicated object selected, use the rotation handle at the top and hold Shift while rotating it slightly to create even spacing between the two shapes. Before clicking anywhere else, press Command-J on Mac or Control-J on Windows. Each time you press this shortcut, Affinity repeats the same rotation and duplication, gradually placing copies around a full circle. Continue pressing the shortcut until the circle is complete. That's all it takes to duplicate an object around a circle in Affinity. It's a quick and powerful method that can save a lot of time when building circular designs. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.